If you're looking to make money online in 2020, you may start to wonder, can you make money publishing on Amazon? Well, I got your answer in today's video, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale L. Roberts, a best-selling author as well as a self-publishing advocate who wants to show you how to publish books that sell. And if you want that too, of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also join me on Twitch every Monday at 12 p.m. Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to me on twitch.tv/self-publish and get a few freebies in the process. Amazon launched its self-publishing platform, Kindle Direct Publishing, back in about late 2007 to 2008. And ever since, it's grown bigger and bigger and better. And it's really grown to something very massive to where you can actually publish ebooks and print books to the Amazon marketplace. There are other distribution models that include the likes of Ingram Spark and Lulu.com, Draft2Digital, Publish Drive, Smashwords, and so much more to where you can publish books on Amazon with ease. But the biggest question is, can you make money publishing on Amazon? Context is everything when it comes to this question. I mean, how much? How much? Because can you make money publishing on anything? Can you make money with this? Can you make money with that? You can make money with just about anything. Heck, I can go over on the corner here and put out a hat and ask for people, and I can make money just panhandling. Can you make money publishing on Amazon? Well, of course, yes, you can do that. How much you're gonna get depends a lot on a few factors, and this includes your effort. What are you putting into it? Are you becoming a student of the game? Are you trying to become better as far as being an author or a self-publisher? Are you learning from the best? Are you becoming better by the day? That's going to get it to where your effort means everything, and what you put in, you'll get out of it. Your audience. If you have an audience already set, the nice thing is you will probably easily make money publishing on Amazon. It's just a foregone conclusion. If you already have the audience, then chances are very likely you're gonna definitely get something back out of it. And your resources. This is huge. Do not take this one lightly. And your resources can include everything from financial aspect to hardware and software, because after all, you're gonna need a computer or you're gonna need some type of a mobile device in order to actually do the publishing. And then there's even team members. So if you're working as a business owner or as an online entrepreneur, then chances are likely you're going to be a little bit more successful if you have a larger team to work with you so you can make back your investment. And the biggest of all the resources is going to be, of course, content. You can't just simply start up a specific Kindle Direct Publishing account and just have money rain down onto you. Yeah, it doesn't work that way. It's kind of like a gym membership. You can go and buy a gym membership, but unless you actually go and put in the work, you're not going to see any of the results. So you need the content. So you're going to need to make sure that you're doing the research, that you're writing or producing some type of books, that you're editing and formatting, and also you're investing any kind of just total package and putting out anything from ebooks to print books and then sometimes audiobooks. Also, folks, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. It is a pay-to-play world. If you've got the income and you've got the financial resources, then chances are very likely you can take advantage of Amazon advertising. And Amazon advertising is probably the most dead simple way and probably the most cost-effective way of promoting your books that you've published on Amazon. So you've probably heard some people over here on YouTube that have made some very bold claims about how much they make publishing on Amazon or how much you can make publishing on Amazon. And I'm just gonna say to you, buyer beware on this one. It's the illusion of the income report. There are some video content creators out there that will share and they will kind of flex and brag on you about how much they made and how if you learn just directly from them that you're going to profit hand and fist. But folks, I hate to say it, that results may vary. So what you may learn from one content creator may not work for you, and vice versa. You might learn from somebody else that does really well for you and doesn't do well for another person. And here's the thing, usually an end game for income reports is they're ultimately trying to sell you on a product. And there's nothing wrong with trying to sell you on coaching services or courses, but they're trying to lure you in with the hope of maybe making $10,000 per month or $100,000 per month. And sometimes you gotta kind of wonder, Are these income reports really real? What all is put into it? What is the effort, the audience, and the resources that they have that you can't get? The fact of the matter is, folks, most people will not make that type of income that you're seeing. Those people are sometimes the unicorns of the business, and a vast majority of the people, and especially struggling indie authors, won't realize those type of paychecks, anytime soon, if ever. So what can you expect to make publishing on Amazon? That's a good question. It's the same answer as what I give for can you make money publishing on Amazon? It just varies. It really just depends a lot. And if anyone ever guarantees you're going to make X amount of dollars, or you're going to shift this many amount of books, run away from them. So can you make money publishing on Amazon? Yes. How much you make is entirely up to you. It depends on the effort that you put in, it depends on your audience, and it depends on your resources. If you're new to self-publishing, might I recommend this very next video series. It's Self-Publishing for Beginners. And I take you from start to finish. So that way you can kind of figure out, okay, how can I do this better? I'll see you in the very next video series.